Hi there. I will show you the easiest way to grow basil. At first you need basil plant from a store, some pots, scissors, and water. Start with putting basil in water. It's easier to untangle roots in water. Here it is. Cut above the first set of true leaves. The top you can eat or put in water for 2 weeks to make a new plant. The rest is good to plant it. It will grow just fine. This is how it should look like. From one pot, I made 5 pots. Thanks for watching.